Come ride the roads and see the country with me through the eyes of a trucker. Here she is, early in the morning. Whoa. Yep. We both look really chipper, I'm sure.
Oh, you're filming it? I thought you were just going to take a picture.
No, we're filming. We're in the film mode these days. We are movie makers. Yes, indeed. Okay, I'll end your agony. A silhouette. As you can see, I probably don't look much better. Early in the morning, we are on day 2 of our trek down towards the heat. And it's already much nicer. I mean, it's 40 something, not 10. And there's no snow, which is always a good thing. So today we're going to head on down through the wonderful towns of Dallas, Austin, Waco, San Antonio. Whee! So much fun driving in Texas. Anyway, then we're going to get down to Laredo, where we get another 10-second break, and then we have to deliver early in the morning. But at least we'll make money. So, we're going to head over and get coffee here shortly, as soon as I punch in all this BS on the Qualcomm. And we are heading back towards the back of the truck. Why? Because there's a trash can. As you can see, we have greenness, not whiteness. And there it is, the trash can. Oh, yes. Alright. And the truck's still here. We have it sealed up so much we can't see anything inside, so we hope it's all okay. Take a quick look under. Look at that. We got tires. We still have a trailer. Wow. Most importantly, we still have fuel. Yes. Alright. There's Victoria. She's still in the snow mode. I don't know. I'm going to grab my coffee here real quick. Okay. Yes. Home. For a little while longer anyway. And the all-important smoke. And this truck is filthy from all the salt and the snow.
You got cute new big ones, snow boots.
My big snow boots. Yeah, I gotta buy my tennis shoes now that we're in the out of the ice zone. But yes, this is what a truck ends up looking like after being in the snow. And since Stevens won't meet us halfway, you know, as far as cleaning the truck, I'm not going to wash it. Why should I spend money cleaning their truck? You know, I pay lease on it, but it ain't mine. It's not my logo on the side of there, so, you know, if they want it clean, they could help out. But they don't, so screw them. There we go. Hey, we found us a cool little friend here that's kind of shy, but got tags and stuff. Kind of like, you know, wants to go for a ride, but doesn't really want to go for a ride. But, yeah, it's a cool dog. Anyway, we are getting ready to head out here from beautiful Muskogee, Oklahoma. Yeah, I don't have any food butter. I'd give you some. You are a cool looking dog though. Yes, you are. Very cool looking. Yes. Well, once I started the truck up and my friend the Bowser ran off into the sunset, I saw in my rear view window that he wasn't all alone. He had a friend. Yes. So there's two Bowsers back there. You can kind of see them in my mirror here. Maybe I can turn that around. Probably can't, but anyway, Like I said, we are here in beautiful Muskogee. Yes, we're proud to be Okies from Muskogee. Not really, but we're here, and not for long. And that's the good thing. Usually we just pass through here, but we are actually stayed the night because 20 miles down the road we could have got, but that truck stop was on the 40 as well as the 69, and as full as this one looked, it was probably packed, and then we would have been out of time and screwed. So it's better to have a place to park. Anyway, we're fixing to head out here as soon as all these alarms quit going off, and we do our lovely 5-minute required PTI. And Victoria over here, she's already preparing for her day, getting her game going and her computer going, and that's what she'll be doing all day.
Throw that radio away.
And it'd be really, really nice if that alarm would quit ringing, but it won't for another 20 or 30 pounds of air pressure. I seem to have that lovely thing going on every morning. Alright, yay, and the alarm bell stops. And make sure we're on 11 hours.
I guess
Yes, we
you
are.
have to say about his radio.
PTI. Alright, well, we will talk to you later. And here it is, folks. Lake Efola. Efola, yes. Only in Oklahoma would you have a lake named Efola, which I'm told in Spanish means son of a birch. Yeah, so it's Lake Son of a Birch. Only in Oklahoma. And this lake is huge, by the way. It goes for about 12 miles or more. And as you can see, we're driving right down the middle of it. Alright, well, that was exciting. Lake Efola. Well, we're down here in Laredo, Texas. Yep, delivering this load, and it's gonna be a while. 'Cause they gotta take pictures, and they gotta weigh everything, and it's just gonna take a while. But that gives me time to catch you all up on the fun we had yesterday. Oh yeah, as you'll recall, yesterday we did a little short just before we got rolling from Muskogee there. And we're cruising along, and we're on time, and everything's cool, and all of a sudden I get this Qualcomm. You gotta meet truck so-and-so for a repower. I called up my DM, and I said, Mr. DM there, sir, I didn't ask for any repowers. And he proceeds to tell me that management says I cannot make it there on time. So I ended up spending 20 minutes of my driving time, the load's driving time, explaining basic elementary first grade math to the management people at Stevens, who then replied that I still would not have enough time because I had 560 miles to go. Gee, by my routing, I had 510 miles to go. So not only can they not do math, they can't route either. And then they had me repowering some guy over 60 miles west of me on a different freeway that doesn't even make sense from where I was coming from. So, after doing all that battle, and then getting delayed in Austin for a good hour because it was traffic jam rush hour thing, we still arrived at the receiver 30 minutes early. This is why I cannot wait to get away from this horrifyingly stupid company. I can deal with ignorant. I can't deal with stupid. You can't teach stupid. Stupid is just stupid. And that's what they are here, unfortunately. It's not ignorance, it's stupid. They're either stupid or they're corrupt, because the other side of the coin is somebody was trying to give their buddy my miles. So it's one or the other, Stevens. Are you stupid or are you corrupt? Because you either can't do math or you're trying to screw me. Either way, I got 18 more days and I'm done. Thank goodness. Anyway, we are sitting here in beautiful Laredo at this receiver, waiting for them to get started unloading, which they haven't even started yet. And it's interesting because, you know, the product's frozen and this is not a sealed dock door, this is an open dock, so it's slowly getting warm. Fortunately, however, it, as you can see, is overcast and nowhere near 90 something degrees, which does make it pleasant. Anyway, we will probably be wrapping up this video and moving on to the next exciting adventure as we do a 34-hour reset down in beautiful Laredo, Texas.